Hi, Lori Scherer with the Scherer Team with my partner.
Dan Karp with the Karp Group.
And we're going to talk today about something that is really going to be a big impact for those of you who are thinking about selling your home. A lot of times I get calls from people who are thinking about selling their home and they say, well, don't come over. I have to do this and I have to do that and I have to clean this and I have to fix that. And I said, well, here's the best idea. Don't do anything yet. Let me come over. Let me be your guide to make sure that those things that you think need to be done really need to be done. And there are a lot of different ways to look at investing your money in preparing your home for sale. Let us be the consultant to work with you. We know what will help to sell your home. We know what really should be done and the condition your home should be presented in based on what your goal is. And Dan's going to talk a little bit more about specifically.
Yeah, I think it's a really good conversation, and every buyer, every seller is going to have a different attitude toward this process, and sometimes it may be more impactful for others. There are big capital improvements. There's roof and there's windows and there's new pools and fixing leaks and major things. And then there's putting in some lights or painting the room a different color. And to Lori's point, we can help you with that and really explain what will yield the greatest return, what will help the house sell faster, what are buyers looking for, what will move the house in a better way, and how will that impact your sales price. So on the listing side, Lori does that all the time. On the buy side, if we're working with an investor, we're actually looking for a house that may be underdone or that may need improvements, because fewer buyers are going to want that. And as a buyer, we can come in and be more aggressive. Now, as a seller, maybe there's things that we can help you do or advise you to do that would yield a higher return. So I think it's all personal preference. It's speed, how long it will take, how much you have to put in, how much you get out, looking at the different aspects of it. And I think that's why we're here to help.
And to lean on the professional to make sure that you're making the right investment and going in the right direction. We don't want you to overspend your money or waste your time doing something that's not going to benefit you. So we love working with you guys, and we're here to help. Thanks for listening.